Today, you will learn how to perform unit conversion using dimensional analysis. In order to convert one unit to another, you will need a conversion factor. For example, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Take note that conversion factors can be written in fractional form. So you can write this conversion factor as 1 inch over 2.54 centimeters, or you can flip it as 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch. So, for instance, if you are trying to convert 45.1 inches to centimeters, all you have to do is write the given number, which is 45.1 inches, and multiply it with the conversion factor in fractional form, where the unit at the bottom of the fraction corresponds to the given unit, which is in this case 1 inch. So 1 inch at the bottom and 2.54 centimeters at the top. So when you do the calculation, it should be 45.1 inches times 2.54 centimeters divided by 1 inch. And you can cancel inches. This gives you 114.6 centimeters or 115 centimeters with the correct number of significant figures.